Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to install the grocery gripper in the E92 BMW. Um, I'm doing it in my storage unit, so I'm actually getting the power from inverter to my battery. So this just should work. But first you gotta take the stencil, you gotta cut it out, then tape it up, line it up with the rim, as you see there. Line it up with that rim, and then light it up also with the light. And then after you have that lined up, you just take your 5/16 drill bit. You drill three holes, one right there, and right there. They say to punch it. I'm just going to take the drill bit and just kind of like mark it with the drill lightly, and then pull the paper off, and then continue up. You don't want to go too far, so just like straight through the first sheet of metal is fine. Just be very careful with that. And then we'll insert these little inserts here. We'll insert these. After we have inserted those, then we can actually install this part. Shit. There you go. You get to install these fun little pieces, but I'll show you step by step though. We'll get to it. For now, I'm just going to drill the holes. And also, if y'all need to, I'll just show y'all the instructions as well. Some people learn by videos, some, maybe you lost your paper. Alrighty. Alright, so I have my 3 holes drilled. There, and there. Now I'll be inserting these inserts here. Just inserting those. Then after insert those, pretty much move on to the actual kit itself. Alright. Guys, I don't know if it'll focus, but with these little guys, it comes with extra washers, but you don't need all the parts for every model. So for the E92, I'm actually just using these. I'm not using these. And I forgot to mention, because I just took a picture of it, but the short ones go into this one, into this piece, and the long ones go into here, into those 3 pieces there. So yeah, long ones go there, short ones go into this one. And then so after I slap 3 of these, three of those holes, after I slap those in, I'll just throw the caps over. I'm done. Yeah. All right, and that's it. It's done. I have to insert these these plastic things, but otherwise that's done. I'm gonna show y'all the instructions from the book for the E92, just in case y'all need it. Yeah, I'll take pictures and just post it in the video.